I want to show you this super fun cardboard folding board trick. I don't even have an official name for it, but it's really cool. So you'll need 6 pieces of cardboard, and they are about 9 by 12. Another way to do it is to get your t-shirt or whatever size shirts that you're using to fold. You can kind of test it out that way. So you can lay it down your shirt and then see about how much cardboard you need for like a solid piece, and then divide it equally into 6 pieces. So that's another way to do it. Mine are 9 by 12, and I just cut it out. Make sure to get an adult's help cutting the cardboard, and then you'll need duct tape. So you'll want to space your pieces about, I don't know, not very far apart, like 1/4 of an inch. So you'll just need enough room for them to fold comfortably. And you are going to tape this one here, this one, and then all across here. So you're just going to use regular old duct tape. Okay, so we have our 6 pieces. We're all glued, or not glued, we're all taped together. And now, here, let me show you how this awesome thing works. So you'll need your shirt, or your shirts, because I'm sure you'll be doing all the folding now. And you're going to lay it face down on your board. Kind of just lay it out, and then you're going to take either side, doesn't matter which one, and you're going to just fold over, drop it, and then your other side, fold it over, drop it, and then your bottom piece folds up, and then you flip it around, and you have this awesome folded shirt. Okay, so there you have it.